Okay, there we go. Hopefully that's a good view. Let's move the seat back. There's the key. So clean, so nice. Okay, lovely day. Let's go. Oh, what a smooth car. Really smooth, really nice. So I'll take it the normal route. I will just take it through some of those slower roads. Then I'll get it onto the motorway, get it up to 70 miles an hour. And yeah, hopefully you'll see what this 1.4 non-turbo engine is like. I like the sound that it makes, it's really nice. But the wheel is very much towards me right now. Look at this sunset, look at this sunset. Absolutely beautiful. This guy, if he doesn't back off, I'm going to start getting annoyed. Some people are right up yours from time to time. Bad people, bad people, don't do that. he's keeping his distance. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. And she's not again. There we go, we've lost him. This guy's probably thinking, what has this got? Why has this guy got a camera on his head? Look at this. Oh, they've put a new road here. That is really nice. Although this bit doesn't seem great. This guy also looked at me. He was probably going to say thanks, but then he's seen the camera. He's like, what's going on here? Okay, so here you're gonna get this car onto the motorway, nice and slow, and we're gonna get it to 70 miles an hour. Yes, we will. There we go. I like the sound that it makes, really nice. Okay. There we go. Nice and steady. It's quite a heavy car, so it holds the this guy scared me a little bit, but never mind, because we are at 70 now. So yeah, very smooth, very nice. Not that fast, but it's a great car. It's got other advantages. And we're gonna take it back home and post this video. Look, I'm doing 30 miles an hour and I cannot catch up with him. Bad boy, bad boy. I don't mind. I don't mind. Nice and clear. We are back home. So this is my dad's car, 1.4 litre 2013 Vauxhall Astra SRI, and he was kind enough to let me drive it today. I like making those videos. think that'll be good memories when we don't have those cars anymore. That'll be great to remind ourselves of the good old days. Okay, am I gonna fit in there? Yeah, I think so. Okay, I don't know, I probably shouldn't be recording this because now I'm going to be here for an hour trying to get this car parked. Okay. Yeah, this is not the best driving, but that will do the trick. There we go, handbrake, the gears. Let's switch this off. Thank you to the lovely car. And now we can get it locked.